We'll start with our right hand, finding F, which is at the bottom of the 3 black keys. Put our thumb there. And if we label our fingers 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, we're going to start with our 4 or ring finger, and we're going to play that twice. Then we're going to go down to our 2 finger, and then back up to our 4 finger, and jump back down to our 2 finger. Let's repeat that. 4, 4, down to 2, back up to 4, 2. Then we're going to, for the second set, we're going to raise our thumb to this black note, and we're going to go middle down to bottom, 4, 2, moving on, we repeat the first half, but when we get to the 4, we're going to go top, repeat that again, then we're going to go top down to bottom, but skipping over our 3 finger. Let's repeat that. So middle down to bottom, 4, 2. Middle down to bottom, 4, top, all the way down to bottom, skipping over your middle finger. From the start. From there, we're going to move our hand down 1 while that thumb's still hanging on. And we'll play our 4 finger, which is now on A. And then we'll let the other fingers drop so you've got 1 finger per note on the keyboard. Then we're going to go down to 2 and back up to 4. 2. Showing that one more time. Now we're going to go middle down to bottom, 4, 2. Middle down to bottom, one more time, 4, 2. Last time. And now we slide back up into that original position, thumb on F, 1 finger per note. And we're going to go top down to bottom, skipping over the 3. And then we go back to our first set. All together. 4, down to 2, back up to 4, 2, middle down to bottom, 4, 2, middle down to bottom, now down to F, this time with your thumb, and we go top down to bottom, skipping over the middle, and then we're back to the beginning again. For our left hand, we're going to find G, which is 1 above F. So you find F, it's at the bottom of the 3 blacks. Here's your G. And we're going to go bottom top. It's going to be nice and even. When we get to the B section, we're going to also move our left hand down. So now we're on F and C, and we repeat that same thing. Hands together. We've got our right hand with our thumb on F, our left hand, our pinky on G. So together, 2, 3, 4. Moving down. This time, I'm going to tell you where to add your pedal if you have a pedal. We're going to start with the pedal down, and I'll let you know when I'm lifting. Lift. 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 Medium speed. If you find the left hand is too complicated, you can just simplify it down to one note.